Hello everyone, welcome to class 3 mathematics. Our topic in this video is ascending and descending order. Here I will be focusing on the steps that we should keep in mind while arranging numerals in ascending and descending order. So children, here we go. Children, let's see what all will you accomplish after watching this video. So, this video will help you in comparing the number of objects in two or more groups. You will also learn the usage of words greater than, less than, or equal to while comparing. Using this, you will also learn to arrange numbers in ascending and descending order using proper symbols. We call the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to with the help of some examples. Now, let's take two numbers, 50 and 30. If you have 50 pencils and your friend has 30 pencils, then you have greater number of pencils as compared to your friend. So, 50 is greater than 30. Similarly, if you compare 70 pencils with 60 pencils, then 60 pencils are less than 70 pencils. Also, in another situation, if you have 80 pencils and your friend has 80 pencils too, so both of you have equal number, that is 80 is equal to 80. I hope now you know the use of symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. We arrange objects or numbers from smallest to the greatest. Then it is called increasing or ascending order. Observe these pictures carefully. Also, when we arrange objects or numbers from greatest to the smallest, then it is called decreasing or descending order. Now, have a look at these pictures too. Now, let us compare the given numbers 2390 and 2473. In order to compare these, we first compare the highest place, which is thousands in this case. Here we see that we have 2 in thousands place in both the numbers. So, 2000 is equal to 2000. After comparing the thousands place, we move on to the next place, which is hundreds. In 2390, 3 is at hundreds place, and in 2473, 4 is at hundreds place. So, 3 hundreds is less than 4 hundreds. Hence, 2390 is less than 2470. Now, let us compare 8704 and 8790. Again, we start from the highest place, which is thousands. So, 8,000 is equal to 8 thousands. Since thousands is same, we move to the next place, which is hundreds. Now we see that 7 hundreds is equal to 7 hundreds. Since hundreds is also same, now we compare the tens place. In 8704, 0 is at tens place, and in 8719, 1 is at tens place. So, 0 is less than 110. Hence, 8704 is less than 8719. Now, we compare 9863 and 9860. Again, we start from the highest place, which is thousands. So, 9,000 is equal to 9,000. Since thousands place is equal, we move to next place, which is hundreds. Here we see 8 hundreds is also equal to 8 hundreds. Now again, hundreds is same, so we compare tens place. Now we see that 6 tens is equal to 6 tens. As tens place is equal to, now we compare ones place. Now in 9863, 3 is at ones place, and in 9860, 0 is at ones place. We know that 3 ones is greater than 0 ones. So 9863 is greater than 9860. Using this concept of comparing numbers, let us arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Let us arrange these given numbers in ascending order. Children, we must remember that ascending order means arranging numbers from the smallest value to the greatest value. So, let us start from the highest place, which is thousands in the given numbers. Remember, we have to now look for smallest thousands, and we have to arrange in ascending order. So our smallest thousand is 1209, then 4567, followed by 7632, and at last 9861. So our numbers are arranged from smallest to the greatest, and now we are comparing using symbols. Now, as you see, the numbers are arranged in ascending order, which means from the smallest to the greatest. Now, let's take up one more example of arranging numbers in ascending order, which means from the smallest to the greatest. The numbers that are given are 7,892, 7,840, 7,859, and 7,845. As we have to arrange in ascending order, we have to look for the smallest number. Let's start from the highest place again, which is thousands in the given number. Here, we observe that all the numbers have 7 at thousands place. So, all the numbers are equal at thousands place. Now, since the thousands is same, let us compare the number at hundreds place. Again, all the numbers have 8 at hundreds place and are equal. Our thousands and hundreds place is equal in all the given numbers. So we move to tens place and we observe that two numbers, that is 7,840 and 7,845, have smallest 10, that is 4, as compared to the other given numbers. Now, since both the numbers have 4 at tens place, we move to ones place. One of the number has 0 and the other has 5 at ones place. Now, since we are looking for the smallest, we found that 0, 1 is smaller than 5, 1. So, 7,840 is the smallest, followed by 7,845 and then 7,859 and at last 7,892. Now we arrange them using the symbol. Wow! We have arranged the numbers in ascending order. Well done, children. Now we arrange numbers in descending order, that is, from the greatest number to the smallest number. The numbers that are given to us are 4,456, 9,459, 7,458 and 2,454. Again, we will start from the highest place, which is thousands. Children, remember, here we have to look for the greatest thousands. Our greatest thousands is 9,459. After this, the next greatest number is 7,458 and then 4,456 and at last 2,454. Now, we arrange using symbols. Wow! We have arranged in descending order. Well done, kiddos! Let us us arrange these given numbers in descending order, that is, from the greatest to the smallest number. The numbers are 5123, 5823, 5423 and 5923. Let's start from the highest place, which is thousands in these given numbers. So, all the numbers have 5 at thousands place. So, all are equal at thousands place. After comparing thousands, we move on to hundreds place. We observe that we have 1, 8, 4, 9 at hundreds place in the given numbers. Now, we have to look for the greatest hundred, which is 9. So, 5923 is the greatest number among the given numbers. The next greatest is 5823, and after this, the next greatest is 5423, and at last it is 5123. Now we arrange these using symbol. Great! We all have completed this module. Dear students, hope you liked the video. Keep learning, keep growing. See you soon.